Alright, back at Wellsville. I guess we got a group of stock length quads today and some bikes coming along. Got a lot of rain recently. Looks pretty wet in the low areas, so we'll see how it is, see if we get any traction, and should be a good day on quads.
Liking it? You missed your start.
The hell are you going so slow? Yeah, we just gotta bend that stomach a little bit, and then I just gotta get You say you didn't want any help, that's why I wasn't helping. Feel bad now. I forgot I'm on a stock length quad kind of too. Stock length picks up the ass end. You had a fucking, if I had a Phillips I could crank one.
I'd say this one, the whole thing's turning.
No, but I mean,
I knew if we just had it.
broke his thumb a little. Me?
Yeah. Buddy. There's nothing we can do. You have to do the deed.
I think you just go back down.
Yeah.
That was rough. Ugh. You're like grinding it.
I'm playing a game of literal Marcus Christopher.
It's an awesome day at Wellsville. Had a great time. There was 6 of us on quads, 4 of us stock, so that was awesome. That was a fun time. It's not usually like that. Then there's some bikes, stock and extended. So went everywhere, climbed a lot of stuff, had a great time. Thanks for watching.